What's going on, y'all? Check it out. I got me a dirt chop today. And we finna sous vide this bad boy. A dirt chop, y'all. A dirt chop. But anyway, it's finna be so tasty and so good. And let's get it. And while you here, don't forget to give me that LSS. What's that you say? That's that like, share, and subscribe. That like, share, and subscribe. And if this is your first time here, glad you're here. Hope you become part of the LSS family, y'all. Cause we love tasty. So of course, first thing we gotta do is go ahead and rain on. Hit it with some of that salt. Some of that pepper. Some garlic powder. And a little bit of dried basil. And we just gonna pat that seasoning in. And of course, y'all, you already know we season both sides, y'all. Both sides. So let's go ahead and get into our vac bag. Now this is a little trick if you didn't know. Fold your vacuum seal bag down. That way you don't get juice on where you're gonna seal it at. And you guaranteed to get a better seal every time, y'all. Every time. But anyway, after we fold that bag down, let's go ahead and get our dirt chop in that bag. Fold that back up. And go ahead and get it sealed, y'all. Now with this, it has bones in here that can puncture the bag. So I don't want it sealed all the way. So I'm going to stop it before it can puncture that bag and go ahead and seal it. Now I don't know if every vacuum seal machine has that option, but mine does, and I love it. Now we're gonna get into a water bath of 135 degrees for 3 hours. Now once it come out that water bath, you know we gotta pat it dry, y'all. Gotta pat it dry so we can get that crust on it. Oh yeah, it's torch time, y'all. Torch time. Y'all know I like messing with this torch though, for real. It's kind of fun, and it actually makes everything easier. It's like, woo. I can cook in my water bath and chill out. And then the only thing I gotta do to my meat after it come out is hit it with that torch. I like it, y'all. I like it. Now when you torch yours down, just get your skin as crispy as you like it, or as dark as you like it, however you want to put it. And then you done, y'all. You done. And guess what? Once you do that, it's time to eat. It's time to eat. So let's go ahead and cut up in here. And let's see how we did. Oh my goodness, y'all. Look at that bite. Look at that bite. But anyway, y'all. It was so tasty. So tasty. But y'all know what time it is. Love, peace. And keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.